Check it out, y'all. Now, this video would be a good one to explain the difference between diamonds and diamond dust. It's one of my first ones I've done in a minute that has actually included both natural diamonds, which is these right here, and diamond dust. It's a beautiful look, man. This is one of my most excited to do, because this client did something different. He started off with diamond fangs and then sent those back in. So in that situation, we have to remove the stones, then reset them. But he wanted a front 4-piece. White gold, beautiful fit. One thing about our grills, man, is they fit like tight like a glove, man. Now we gotta not mess around when it comes to fitting. Still working out a few more kinks to try to keep up with our ever-growing customer base on Instagram. So we appreciate you guys for all the love and support all of this time. This will be going out to, I believe, Kentucky, I believe it is, or Louisville, one of those. I have to go look at his shipping. But thank you, my guy, once again for supporting us. Y'all be easy, all right? Peace.